Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe for the vibes.
Like, comment, share, turn on the notification bell so whenever we post a video of good food, you will receive it. Guys, give this video a thumbs up. So we're gonna take you along, maybe eat some food. We don't know if...
Not maybe, we are gonna eat some.
Okay, we're gonna eat some food, so we don't know if we're gonna talk to you after this, but journey along with us while we show you some good food.
Yay! Right.
Alright guys, they've got a chicken patty, I got a shrimp patty. We have some more in the bag somewhere. Yeah, so we're gonna see what it do. Yeah, bam. Push up a little bit. A little bit. Yeah, babe. Yeah. Alright guys, that's the chicken. Curry shrimp. Now we got a coconut water. Regular.
You have drink from? You want drink from? Alright, can I get one of the Guinness?
These are first.
Baby getting Guinness, y'all.
Let me show you the better side. You finish?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna pull it and take it out.
Alright.
Baby getting some Guinness.
Alright, so they're $7 a bag. So you can pick the bags that you want.
Alright.
But I'm gonna take out these two first. And I some bust up something.
Are those Guinness?
Yes,
Yes,
they
ma'am.
are.
Only them sweet.
I can make it
They
taste.
can be very sour.
Taste one, Jay. Taste one, Jay.
And a cup for second.
Ooh, they're sweet.
Sweet.
Yeah, it's sweet.
How much for it?
A coconut.
It's sweet.
How much for the can?
Can 8 and 12.
Or you want to have
A half.
yellow.
How much do you have now? You want
$12.
How much for this one?
4.
8 and 12.
Where's the big
8 and 12. So this one is a 8.
Look, you see that?
This one is a 12.
Oh, wait. I need to.
Sorry, man.
How much for the plum?
$5 for half dozen. $10 for the dozen.
How much do you have? 5?
5.
Yeah, you get the plum?
But you know what? Half dozen at 6.
Roxanne, get me some.
Alright, so take down a bag and pick out the
How much
ones
for
that
this
you
one?
want. Properly, the whole day. Alright?
Oh.
Alright, so you just the coconut water?
Yeah.
Alright, so you get my $8 change.
Yeah, some selling some from.
You too. You're Jamaican?
Yes, I am.
Today we didn't do what we thought we was going to do, but we did do a few things, and we did get a few things to eat. I'm not sure if we're gonna do a mukbang with these stuff.
No
but
mukbang. I just want to eat it.
yeah,
I just
so
want to
we're,
eat all of it.
yeah, we're just gonna be eating a little bit of what we got today. So we got a Jamaican June plum, we got the sugar cane, and we got the Guinness.
Let me show you guys real quick. So you have a wolf. Babe love these. Babe love
These
those.
are my absolute favorite. Like, I don't know. I don't know what it is. But yeah, these things, so sweet. Because I tasted it, she had me taste a bit of it. So yeah, really sweet. Then we have the June plum. This with some salt and black pepper. And I'm definitely sweating, but
We're in Florida. That's
Yeah.
what's happening.
this with some salt and black pepper, amazing. All right, then we have the sugar cane. Sugar canes, so it should be sweet.
Yeah.
There
Now
we
all
go.
of them is sweet, but
Yeah, but it should be. And then we're slowly eating.
the patty. The patty,
So-
guys, the patty is so good for real. It's really good.
So we're slowly eating that and getting that. So,
We're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slowly eating that. So, we're slow
I hope you guys did enjoy it a little bit today. We didn't do as much as we thought we was going to do,
You
but
did enough.
yeah, and we'll see what the rest of the day brings. Bye guys.